Trey, co-founder of Sam and Treys Donuts today. Why don't we step into our shop?
Oh, sorry, you startled me. I just got done putting in a fresh batch of donuts. I will be done approximately in 8 minutes. And of course I made one for myself. Hey Trey, how many donuts do you think we sell a day?
Funny you should ask. Just yesterday I came up with this function where S of t is equal to sales equals 1000 plus 1 plus the sine of 2 pi times t minus 60 over 365, where t is equal to days.
Very interesting. So you're telling me, with this function we can find the
day we sell the most donuts!
Yeah! Wow.
Let's do it.
Well, Trey, how do we go about finding that?
Well, what we need to do is we need to find the critical value so we can find the local maximum. And to go about doing that, we need to find s prime of t. So we need to find the first derivative of s of t.
Oh, I remember how to do that.
So class, you have 1 minute to find the first derivative of s of t while we enjoy one of our many delicious donuts. Starting now. This is good donuts, Sam.
I don't know. Aren't they all good donuts?
Every single one.
There's just belts in your mouth. They're so yummy.
They're so good fresh. Half your time is gone, class. Speed up the process.
Dallas, I'd appreciate it if you put your phone away.
No texting.
Stanley, I realize that you're just arriving at class. We are deriving this equation, but you probably don't have enough time now.
So just copy off your friends when you get a chance. Time's up, class.
Okay. Oh, we have a question. Yes, Kim. Well, that's a very good question, and I'm sure lots of other people in this class have the same exact one. Well, what you should have gotten was s prime of t equals 1000 times the cosine of 2 pi times t minus 60 over 365 multiplied by 2 pi over 365.
So what we need to do from here is find the critical values, right?
That is correct.
So how we do that is we go s prime of t equals 0 and s prime of t at undefined. So then we solve for t with those values.
Well, we know s prime of t is never undefined because it never divides by 0. And we know that s prime of t equals 0 is 151.25 because this is a calculator active problem and you can just plug it in. And using common sense, we know that 151 days into the year is, of course, May 31st.
Wow. So on May 31st we'll sell the most amount of donuts?
It appears so.
Who needs fortune tellers when you have math?
I wonder when we sell the least amount of donuts.
That's a good question.
Okay, class. This is where you come in. Using your graphing calculator, plug this function into your calculator and graph the function. After that, find when we have an all-time low.
Remember, if you need the function, there's 2 on either side, 2 in the back, and 1 in front of Dallas because he has a little hissy fit if he doesn't get it.
So we'll give you a minute to work this one out. Of course, we have the answer.
Yeah.
Who has the fastest fingers?
Tickety tap tap tap.
Okay, time's up. What you should have gotten was something that looks like this.
Where the all-time low is at T 337.75, which, of course, with common knowledge, is sometime in the day November 30th.
That's it. We need to pick up our advertising.
Yeah, maybe we'll throw in some ads right about here.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Sam, I was thinking, I was wondering how many donuts we sell a year, in the whole year. How would we go about doing that?
Well, what I think we do is we find the area under the graph.
Give us the total amount, right? So, we need to find all these donuts we sold. So just find the integral from 0 to 365 days a year. This is not a leap year.
Now, what you should have gotten was the integral from 0 to 365 of our function, and that equals 365,000 donuts in 1 year.
That's a lot of donuts.
I know, Trey, and that means a lot of money, which is why we are millionaires. Oh, it looks like our donuts are done. Okay, here we go.
Boy, they came out really good.
I know, all these look great.
Yum.
Stanley, this one's for you. Oh, yes. Come and get them. Form a single file line first.
Everyone enjoying them?
That's a rhetorical question. We know you are, because these are great donuts.
Sam and Treys originals.
Original recipe.